Fincept Terminal, an open-source Bloomberg Terminal alternative built in native C++20 with Qt6. No Electron, no browser runtime, single compiled binary. 100 data connectors, 20 AI investor personas, 18 QuantLib modules, real-time crypto trading, and node-based workflow automation. 3,000 stars on GitHub. This is institutional-grade financial analysis without the $25,000 a year Bloomberg subscription. Fincept Terminal is a native desktop financial analysis platform that positions itself as the open-source answer to Bloomberg. Version 4.0.1 represents a complete rewrite. The project moved from Tari, React, and Rust to pure C++20 with Qt6 for the user interface, and embedded Python 3.11 for analytics execution. The motivation for that rewrite is performance. A Bloomberg terminal runs on native code. An Electron-based alternative introduces browser overhead, memory consumption, rendering latency, garbage collection pauses. That's unacceptable when you're streaming real-time market data and running quantitative models. Fincept ships as a single compiled binary with no Node.js, no browser runtime, and no JavaScript bundler in the dependency chain. The feature set covers the core Bloomberg workflow, market data access through over 100 connectors, portfolio analytics with institutional-grade risk metrics, derivatives pricing through 18 QuantLib modules, AI-assisted research with 20 investor persona agents, real-time trading for crypto and equities, and a node-based workflow editor for automating multi-step analysis pipelines. The project has 3,000 stars and 500 forks on GitHub. It's dual-licensed, AGPL 3.0 for open-source personal and educational use, with a commercial license at $799 per month that includes 20 university accounts and API access. Cross-platform from day one, Windows, Linux, and macOS with Apple Silicon support. Let's look at the repo. 3,000 stars and 500 forks for a financial terminal shows serious demand for open-source alternatives to Bloomberg and Refinitiv. The codebase is 99% TypeScript according to GitHub's language detection. But that's misleading. The v4.0 rewrite to C++20 is the active branch. The README is comprehensive, installation guides for all three platforms, Docker support, detailed module documentation, and a clear roadmap through Q3 2026, including an option strategy builder, ML training UI, and a programmatic API. The 783 commits on main indicate sustained development, and the project has an active Discord community. The data access layer is where Fincept Terminal justifies the Bloomberg comparison. Over 100 connectors pull from institutional data sources. Yahoo Finance provides equity prices, fundamentals, and historical data. FRED, the Federal Reserve Economic Data System, delivers macroeconomic indicators, interest rates, and monetary policy data. The IMF and World Bank provide international development indicators and cross-country economic comparisons. Polygon covers U.S. equity and options data with real-time and historical feeds. DBnomics aggregates European economic statistics. Akshare provides Chinese market data, a coverage gap that most Western terminals ignore entirely. Kraken and Hyperliquid provide real-time cryptocurrency market data via WebSocket connections, meaning price updates stream continuously rather than polling at intervals. And the optional Adanos market sentiment integration surfaces retail sentiment analysis from Reddit, X, financial news sites, and Polymarket, cross-referencing social media buzz with prediction market probabilities. The geographic coverage is genuinely global, US, European, Asian, and emerging market data through a single interface. The AI integration is what makes Fincept Terminal feel like a next-generation platform, rather than just a data viewer. 20 investor personas model the analysis frameworks of legendary investors. Warren Buffett for value investing fundamentals, Ray Dalio for macroeconomic cycle analysis, Benjamin Graham for margin of safety calculations, and more. Each persona applies its namesake's investment philosophy to whatever data you're analyzing, providing perspective-specific commentary and recommendations. The multi-LLM backend supports OpenAI, Anthropic Claude, Google Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek, and Allama for local models. This means you can run analysis through Claude for nuanced reasoning, switch to Grok for fast iteration, or use Allama with a local model for complete data privacy. No market data or portfolio positions leaving your machine. The AI doesn't just answer questions, it can run factor discovery to identify what's driving returns in your portfolio, build HFT strategies using reinforcement learning, and execute multi-step research workflows through the MCP tool integration in the workflow editor. The quantitative analysis layer integrates 18 QuantLib modules covering institutional-grade financial mathematics. DCF modeling builds discounted cash flow valuations with configurable growth rates, discount rates, and terminal value assumptions. Portfolio optimization implements modern portfolio theory. Efficient frontier calculation, mean variance optimization, and risk-return trade-off analysis. VAR and Sharpe ratio computation provide standard risk metrics that institutional investors and regulators require. Derivatives pricing handles options, black skulls, binomial trees, and Monte Carlo simulation for exotic instruments. Fixed income modules cover bond pricing, yield curve construction, and duration analysis. Volatility surface modeling visualizes implied volatility across strike prices and expirations. For active trading, Fincept supports real-time cryptocurrency trading through Kraken and Hyperliquid, with WebSocket connections for continuous price streaming, equity trading connections, and a paper trading engine for strategy validation without real capital. The roadmap includes an option strategy builder and multi-portfolio management coming in Q2 2026, and a full programmatic API in Q3 2026 that would let you build automated trading systems on top of Fincept's data and analytics layer. The node-based workflow editor is where Fincept goes beyond traditional terminal functionality. You build analysis pipelines visually, connect data source nodes to transformation nodes, to analysis nodes to output nodes. Each node is a discrete operation. Fetch Fred data, run a DCF model, apply a Graham-style valuation screen, generate an AI summary, push results to a dashboard. MCP tool support means you can integrate external capabilities into your workflows. Claude Code tools, custom scripts, API calls to internal systems. The workflow editor supports conditional branching, parallel execution, and scheduled triggers, so you can build automated morning briefings that pull overnight market data, run your analysis models, and have results waiting when you start your trading day. Beyond standard financial analysis, Fincept includes maritime tracking for shipping lane monitoring, useful for commodity traders tracking physical delivery logistics. Geopolitical relationship mapping visualizes how international events affect correlated markets, and satellite data integration provides alternative data signals for investors who want to go beyond traditional market feeds. 3 installation paths. Pre-built installers are available for v4.0.1, Windows x64, Linux x64, and macOS Apple Silicon DMGs. Download, install, run. For building from source, clone the repo and run the setup script. It handles dependencies, CMake configuration, and compilation automatically. Or build manually with CMake, bbuild, dcmake, build type. Release followed by CMake, build, parallel. Docker is also supported if you want containerized deployment. The build requires a C+++20 capable compiler, MSVC 2022 on Windows, GCC or Clang on Linux, Xcode command line tools on macOS, plus Qt 6.5, or later with WebSockets, SQL, and charts modules, and Python 3.11 or later for the embedded analytics engine. Once built, you get a single binary. No runtime dependencies to manage, no package managers to keep updated, no breaking changes from upstream JavaScript libraries. Just the binary and your data. That's Fincept Terminal, institutional-grade financial analysis in a native C++ binary. 100 data connectors, 20 AI personas, 18 QuantLib modules, real-time trading, and workflow automation. Open source under AGPL 3.0. GitHub link in the description. Subscribe to Prism Labs for more developer tool deep dives.